Hi everyone, today we're gonna install Xilinx Vivado and Vitis version 2023.2. So to do that you just need to go on Xilinx website, so you can just do Xilinx support download. You'll get onto this page, you want Vivado 2023.2, and then you can select the unified installer 2023.3. So if you're on Windows, use this one, and on Linux, use this one. The process is roughly the same. When you install, you will need to create an account. So for that, you will have to log in, put your email address, etc. And once you have an account, you will be able to download. It's important to have an account because you will need that then for the install process. So which FPGA can you use with Vivado? So we have a list here on this page on product Vivado buy. So mostly it's the low end of the range. So you can use them for free. You don't need a license. You just need to install Vivado Standard Edition. And that covers most of the evaluation board that you can use, or the small FPGAs in the Zinc. So you can use up to the 7030. On the Kintex range, you can use the smaller ones. RTX, it's most of the RTX and Spartan 7. Be careful, this Vivado doesn't cover Spartan 6. Some people are using Spartan 6. Spartan 6 are only in ISE. And if you're considering designing something with a Spartan 6, I will recommend you to upgrade to the 7 series instead. So once you have downloaded the installer, you should have this file, and so we can install it. So that's classic. Allow. So you go to next. Here you put your account. And here you will need to select Vivado. So once you have Vivado, you select the standard edition, so that's the free edition that we mentioned before. And here, as you see, the install will be a bit big. So what I recommend you to do is to check what FPGA you have on your evaluation board, or which FPGA you want to build with, and to exclude the families that you're not likely to use. So in my case, for example, I don't often use the ultra-scale range, but if you need them, select them. And it's mostly 7 series and system on chip, so that will free some space. And we will also need VTIS embedded development if we want to develop an application for our software. So once you have that, we can start the install. So you need to agree the licenses. All the licenses. I'll let you the freedom to look at this. And here we select where everything will be installed. It's always better to have everything inside C, because you will see Xilinx tends to have trouble when the paths are too long, so I recommend to keep the paths short. So you just make sure that you have enough space. It will take about 50 gig at the end, so use that. If the folder doesn't exist, we just create it. We'll review everything that's going to be installed, and off we go. So this process will take a bit long, because we'll need first to download 20 gigabytes and then install. So I will cover the rest of the install at the end of this process. So there we are. After 60 minutes at about 6 megabytes per second, it takes about an hour to download, and then 13 minutes to install on a modern 2018 laptop. Then you install the drivers. So this is so you can put the debugger on the JTAG probe. And here it's gonna finally clean the disk space and reduce the footprint of the overall install. And we should be soon done. So here I already have this, otherwise you should install it. And there we go. Now Vivado is installed. And now that we have this, we can delete this file. And here run Vivado 2023.2. There you go, and then you can create a new project from here.